Most people attempt at-home waxing without realizing they're setting themselves up for irritation or uneven results. But professionals approach it completely differently, and that changes everything. 2026 Masterclass. The issue isn't the wax, it's the way it's prepared and removed. Preparation determines everything. Even small differences in length can affect performance significantly. Clean skin properly so the wax bonds only to hair, not surface oils or residue. When preparation is incorrect, the wax can interact with the skin instead of isolating the hair. This is where professionals separate themselves. The triple tight technique. Apply in the direction of growth and maintain a clean edge for controlled remove. Keeping the skin properly tensioned reduces discomfort and improves consistency. The strip should always be removed parallel to the skin, not upward, for a smoother result. Staying relaxed and exhaling during removal helps significantly reduce tension. Any remaining wax can be safely removed using a skin-compatible oil. Aftercare is just as important as technique for maintaining healthy skin and avoiding irritation. That is the 2026 professional method. If you want to understand advanced aftercare and how professionals prevent irritation long-term, the next guide is already on screen.